So this is the Laowa 10mm F2.8 with Nikon Z5 Mark II. This is the built-in microphone, Nikon Z5 Mark II. The microphone setting at a wide range, hypersonic, standard profile, 10mm. I am walking and trying to vlog. I know my arm will be quite big in it. So how good is the audio? This is a wide range audio. So I set the built-in microphone to wide, auto. So how good it is. I'm trying to walk slowly. Let me try to hold the camera from my lens. Walking slowly, gently. How good is the microphone? So let me know in the comment section box below. Walking slowly, really slowly. So how good is the microphone? So now I turn on the electronic VR, 10mm come like 12.5, arm extend, a natural profile. Now the microphone setting is there for the vocal, hand holding, and I'm walking. How good is the Nikon Z5? Full I do not use the AFC because the AFC is like the autofocus only work when you press the shutter button. Use the AFF, autofocus full time. I'll be using the sport mode also in the next video. Let me remove the strap and then hold the camera on the lens. How good is the built-in microphone? I'm going to use the Audio-Technica 18211 microphone, which is a mono microphone, tilt. So how good it is. Electronic VR. Audio-Technica 18911 is plug-in mono microphone. I put back into the wide range and the authenticator is off, minus 10 decibel. I'm walking slowly with electronic VR, natural profile. How good it is. My arm fully extend. How good it is. How good is the microphone. Let me turn on switch to vocal. Let me put into vocal. So right now with the external microphone with vocal, how good it is. With the vocal, how good it is. Minus 10 decibel, how good is the audio at minus 10 decibel at vocal. Let me turn on the authenticator. Now the authenticator is on, minus 10 decibel vocal. The authenticator is on. How good is the audio? Let me know in the comment section box below. How good is the audio? The microphone is into the auto mode, not minus 10 anything, auto. And I put the microphone into the auto. How good is everything? Let me turn on a sport mode. So this is the vivid profile with the sport mode on, auto microphone with the wide range, 10mm walking handle. How good it is. My arm fully extend. Nikon auto profile. Nikon auto profile. Auto profile. Nikon auto profile. How good is the profile? Nikon auto profile. Nikon auto profile. Nikon auto profile. Standard profile. Nikon standard profile. Nikon standard profile. Nikon natural profile. Nikon natural profile. Nikon viewer profile. Nikon viewer profile. viewer profile. Nikon monochrome. Z5 Mark II monochrome. Monochrome. Nikon flat monochrome. Nikon flat monochrome. How good it is, the flat monochrome. Nikon deep tone monochrome. Nikon deep tone monochrome. How good is the deep tone monochrome. Nikon portrait profile. Nikon portrait profile. How good is the portrait profile? Nikon rich tone profile. And Nikon rich tone portrait profile. Nikon landscape. Nikon landscape. Nikon flat. Nikon flat. Nikon auto profile. Hypersonic. How good is the color of Nikon Z5 Mark II? Vlogging with the Laowa Mark II. You just need to tell me which profile you like the most. Let me know in the comment section box below which profile you like the most. I really wanna know from you guys which profile you like the most. Let me know in the comment section box below.